Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to this brand new ClickBank affiliate marketing tutorial. Do you want to make money with ClickBank affiliate marketing? If yes, then complete this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can promote ClickBank products using Craigslist. So guys, if you're really interested, then complete this tutorial, and after completing this tutorial, if you think this is perfect, then like this video, and if you have any question, then comment in the comment box. And you can make 100 a day from ClickBank, and just simply applying this method. It's 100% beginner friendly and 100% perfect for anyone. Now let's see the best part of this ClickBank tutorial. It's easy to apply and workable. I will show you step by step. Then you can make 100 per day ClickBank commission just simply applying this method. No Google ads, no Facebook ads related to apply this method. Then no website needed, no video creation needed to apply this method. It's 100% beginner friendly. No working skills or marketing skills are needed to apply this method. Then you will get result fast, and two types of traffic available in this tutorial. So guys, if you're really interested, then complete this tutorial. I will show you everything step by step. Now let me introduce myself. First, I am Rajibhadro. I am an affiliate marketer over 9 years. I am working here, and if you first time visit my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my new videos, new updates inside my YouTube channel. If you are a beginner and you don't know from where you should start your online journey, then check my YouTube channel. A lot of money making opportunities here. I hope you must get interested inside my YouTube channel and you never be disappointed to subscribe my YouTube channel. Now let's start this method, and I will show you how you can get product from ClickBank, then how you can promote your ClickBank products using Craigslist. So guys, if you're really interested, then don't miss any part of this video. And after completing this tutorial, if you think it's perfect, then like this video, and if you have any question, then comment in the comment box without any hesitation. Okay guys, let's see. The first step, you have to create your ClickBank account, then visit the ClickBank marketplace here, then search photos. You see here, search photos. You see here, first visit ClickBank marketplace, then search photos, and you see here this product, earn from your photos. Okay, you can make money using photos, and how you can do it, you will get everything inside here, and you have to promote this product. And you see the initial conversion here, it's the reveal product, and the gravity score, everything is fine, and I want to promote this product, and you have to promote this product, earn from your photos. Then click the promote button to get your affiliate link. Okay, generate hook link. It's your hook link, affiliate link. You have to promote this link using Craigslist, and I will show you how you can promote this link using Craigslist. But before this, if you first time inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel, Rajibhadro. A lot of money making opportunities here. You never be disappointed to subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you want to get 10 income increasing bonuses, then check my video description. Simple a survey, fill up a simple survey and get this 10 income increasing bonuses here. The number on bonus, affiliate marketing success tips, then the traffic machine, then the fail proof ClickBank mindset, then CPA King, Amazon King, then video marketing hack, then 100 advertising tips, then fast freelancing funds, social media hero, and finally 1000 subscribers in 30 days. And if you want to make money with CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, especially with ClickBank, Zebizu, Warrior Plus, and many other high ticket programs, then you can join my personal training program, my real life case study I reveal just here, and you will get 3 packages here. One is basic package for 10, another is a standard package for 25, and another is premium package for 50. And you can check my product, everything A to Z, and you will get everything inside my training program. So if you want to get my real life case study, my personal training program, then check my video description and join my training program here. Okay, now you have to go Craigslist, and it's the tricks, toronto.craigslist.org. Okay, you have to visit this Craigslist. If you use random Craigslist location, then you can be suspended, and I recommend you to use Canada Craigslist. Okay, for this I visit here toronto.craigslist.org. Okay, it's and tricks, and you have to follow it, and you have to visit this toronto.craigslist.org. Then you see here create posting. Okay, click the create posting. Then city of Toronto. Okay, then gig offered. Okay, I want to hire someone. Okay, then you see here the computer gigs. Okay, now your post title, then city, postal code, and you will get everything the postal code inside Google. Just search on Google postal code on Toronto area and get the postal code, then description. Then you have to pay $3 for 30 days. If you pay $3, if you can run your ads here for free, but anytime this ad can be removed, and for this I recommend you to just pay $3 for 30 days. And if you can pay $3, then click the pay option and just simply pay $3 for 30 days. Now you have to do everything here, the post title, then the postal code, description, everything. And how can you do it? Just see here. Here you see, looking for work from home job, make consistent income and start earning from your photos. It's open for all over the world. Anyone can simply apply this way to earn some extra bucks. If you interested, kindly visit our website. Okay, here, and it's your ClickBank affiliate link. Okay, then at the first you have to make a title. Okay, and you can make title like this, earn from your photos. Okay, it's the title, earn from your photos. Okay, then the description, you can put this on description. Then click the pay option. Okay, here you can put your email address and you have to fill up everything, the city, then the postal code, then everything. Okay, and click here. Okay, and click the continue button to publish your ad on Instagram and get instant traffic to get fast ClickBank results. So guys, that's the way to post on Craigslist, and you can promote any offers, any products inside Craigslist. It's the traffic source number one. Now the second traffic source, I will show you another traffic source, and it's Locanto.ca. Locanto.ca, it's Locanto.ca for Canada. And if you check the monthly visitor of this site, then you see here over 600k people visit per month this site. Okay, now you can post free ads here. Just simply log in or register your account here, then go the job section, and as this Craigslist, you have to set your title, then the description like this, and the location, and simply publish your ad. So guys, that's it. By this two way, you can promote this photo related ClickBank products and earn ClickBank commission. So if you're really interested, then follow this system and get results. And if you really like this video, then like it. And if you have any question, then comment in the comment box. And if you first time inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro. A lot of money making opportunities here. ClickBank method, CPA method, free traffic, paid traffic, everything you will get inside my YouTube channel. And if you want to grab 10 income increasing bonuses, just fill up a simple survey and get it all the 10 income increasing bonuses for 100% free. Check my video description and grab these free bonuses. And if you want to join my personal training program, all the 3 packages here, if you wish, you can join any of the package and simply join here inside my training program. It's my real life case study. If you want to make money with CPA marketing, ClickBank, JBizoo, Warrior Plus, you can get the best result. Now I want to repeat once again this method. First, go here, ClickBank, create your ClickBank account, then go the marketplace and find out this product, earn from your photos, then get your affiliate link. After that, go to Craigslist and go here toronto.craigslist.org, then city of Toronto, then choose the gig, computer gig, and make a simple post. And I recommend you to pay $3 for 30 days and simply click the continue button to post your ads as this lokanto.ca, and click your account here, then make a free post here and promote this ClickBank product. So guys, that's it. If you really like it, like this video, and if you have any question, then comment in the comment box, and don't forget to share this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, that's it. God bless you. Take care. Bye.